Today we are unboxing the Accutron Spaceview 314, reference 26A213. First, we see the Accutron presentation box. Next to it is the 5-year Accutron warranty card. Now we reveal the watch. This is reference 26A213. The case is made of grade 5 titanium. This material is lightweight, strong, and very durable. On top sits a domed sapphire crystal. The case diameter is 39 millimeters. The thickness measures 13.25 millimeters. Inside the watch is the Accutron caliber Y230 tuning fork movement. Looking closer at the dial, we see the open movement design. The watch comes on a blue padded Italian calf leather strap. The lug width is 20 millimeters. And finally, on the wrist. The titanium case makes the watch feel light and comfortable.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.